Hey viewers, let's do Amp Music Guitar Lesson by Adam and the Ants. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab to make it easier to follow along, and we'll do the solo at the end. So let's make a start. The intro. So we're just starting with this D, but we're going back a fret. We have open D string, first fret on the G, second on the B, play it and slide up one fret. And then just play second G, third on the B, and just do that 4 times. So. And that's your intro there. Then from there we go into the verse. Let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on this D chord, and we're staccato playing, just doing stabs and stopping it. So we have 1, 2, 3, then play the open G and B, and then back to the D, and then do the open G and B again. Then go to E, and we're just playing the D, G and B string there 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the open G and B again, and then to an A chord, and again we're just playing the D, G and B string. 1, 2, 3, 4. The open G and B, and back to the D the same way we did it at the start. 1, 2, 3, open, 3, open. And we just do that 2 times. Let me do that slowly for you. And up to speed. And that's our verse there. From there we go into the chorus. Let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So now we're just doing these octave chords, 5th fret on, the A string, 7 on the G, and mute the A string. Then just go back to the 1st and the 3rd fret. Then go up a string to the G, 3rd on the E, 5th on the D. And then we're just playing this F sharp chord, we're just arpeggio picking, so 2 on the E, 4 on the A, 4 on the D, 3 on the G. Then go back to our 5 and 7, play it again and slide up 2 frets, play it again, and then play it again, slide up 2 frets again, back to the 5 and 7, and then finish on our F sharp again, and then just slide up to the 5th fret on the A string. And then the second guitar, when we play that 5 on the A, just jumps to the D chord, playing D, G and B, and we do 4 times per bar, and we do 8 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep going there for 8 bars there. And that's our chorus. Let's do that one more time. From there we just go back to the verse, do that exactly the same, the chorus the same, then we have the solo, and we'll do that at the end, but it's just playing the verse behind the solo. Then we go to the chorus again, do that the same, we have a break, and then we go back to the chorus, and we're just going to repeat that 2 times, and before that last chorus we just put a slide in and straight back to our 5 and 7 there, and repeat the chorus through 2 times at the end. And that's all the rhythm parts. Now let's do the solo. So we're playing the D open, hammer onto 4, Go to the 2nd fret G and do a bend. Then do the open hammer onto 4 and a D again. G, 1st fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret. Then we're playing this D chord, just play 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, do that 2 times. And then go back 2nd fret on the G and the B once, and then back to 2 and 3. And then we repeat that again. And then just play the 3rd fret on the B string, slide up and back down again. And that's a solo there. Let's do it one more time. And that's all the parts there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Ant Music Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.